Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the VILLARRICA ID116 Smart Bracelet. There's an image of the smart bracelet right on top. Some features are mentioned like the heart rate monitor, SpO2 levels, temperature, body temperatures, pedometer, call receiver, etc. Even location. We have some information at the back. This particular smartwatch comes with a 1.3-inch TFT display. It has a 150 mAh battery and it takes about 2 hours to charge, and the strap material is made out of rubber TPU. Let's open this and show you what's inside. So this is it. These are the components of this box. This is the user manual for the ID116. There you go. This is the user manual. You should read it at least once, and this is the app that you need to download in order to make sure it pairs. These are the straps of the smartwatch. So these are basically TPU straps. There's a rugged texture on it as well, so this will not break or tear very easily. And this is the smart bracelet in question. This is the 1.3-inch TFT screen display, and the heart monitor is over here. It's made out of ABS plastic material, and there is no display on it right now because this needs to be charged, and in order to charge you just have to insert this into a USB-A port. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the VILLARRICA ID116 Smart Bracelet. Thank you for watching.